So one more very important reactions are from Grignard reagents. Okay. We can also prepare all types of alcohols, means you can prepare 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree alcohols with the help of Grignard reagents. Okay, so the first question is, what is a Grignard reagent? Okay, so I'll give a quick review of a Grignard reagent. Okay, so these two represent the two sets of Grignard reagent that we have. Okay, in this case we have an alkyl group attached to the magnesium atom. All right, and in this case we have a aromatic ring attached to the magnesium atom. All right, so since magnesium being a very electropositive or a very low electronegative atom, it has a delta positive charge. All right, it gains a delta negative charge. So in the case of this one, all right, fine, so this acts as the nucleophile. All right, this acts as the nucleophile. Okay, fine. So how do we make a Grignard reagent? So if we have an alcohol, we can make alkyl halides very easily. All right, halogenation processes, maybe HNu or sunlight or heat. All right, or sunlight. Right, we get an alkyl halide. We drop in this magnesium along with in a medium of ether. All right, so we are left with R MgX with a plus and a minus sign over here. All right, so this is the quick overview of the Grignard reagent. And now let's see how can we prepare alcohols with the use of Grignard reagents. All right, okay, so this is a carbonyl compound. Okay, we have our Grignard reagent. Okay, this acts as the nucleophilic center. So as we know, this carbonyl compound has got a nucleophilic center over here. Okay, we have a nucleophilic center over here. So this nucleophile attacks on this nucleophilic center. A quick review of a nucleophilic center. How good a nucleophilic center is depends on two factors. First, the electronic effect, and the second, steric effect. Okay, so how do we explain this? So let's assume we have an aldehyde, which is formaldehyde in this case, and we have a ketone. Okay, so steric effect. So as we can see, more is the steric effect, less probable is this nucleophile to attack on this nucleophilic center. Means steric effect is inversely proportional to the nucleophilic center's activity. Okay, so more is the steric hindrance, less probable is this or any nucleophile to attack this nucleophilic center. All right, and in this as you can see, in this case aldehydes has an edge over the ketones, because this is a bigger group than H. Okay, now the electronic effect. With inductive effect playing its part, this alkyl groups tend to increase the electron density or the negative charge density on this carbon. Okay, as compared to hydrogen, they have very much positive, they show a plus I effect. Alright, the hydrogens do not show any inductive effect because hydrogen is the reference point. Okay, hydrogen has an inductive effect of 0, and this methyl groups have a plus I inductive effect. With this plus I inductive effect playing its role, the negative charge density on this carbon is increased, and therefore decreasing the probability of a nucleophilic attack on this carbonyl compound. Okay, so as we can see, the aldehydes has got an edge over aldehydes have an edge over other ketones for a nucleophilic attack. It is supported by both the electronic and the steric effect. Okay, fine. So now let's see what happens. This nucleophile attacks on this nucleophilic center. Okay, because of this attack, the double bond of CO is broken and is taken up by oxygen. So this is what we have. Okay, so we're left with this compound, which is now sp3 hybridized, which in this case it was sp2, and now this we have sp3. Okay, now we hydrolyze it. Okay, now what do we get? We are left with OH R plus Mg OH X. Hydrogen atom from water adds on to the O, and hydroxyl ion from the water adds on to this. Alright, so we get MgOHX plus an alcohol. Okay, fine. So this is the general overview of the mode of preparation of alcohols with the use of Grignard reagents. Now, as I promised, now I'll show you how to prepare specifically 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohols using Grignard reagents. Okay.